So I've spent a lot of time and I'm pretty much done with the shaping of the hull, but the top deck needs a lot of work. But before I can finish the deck, I need to figure out where I'm placing minifigures so I can put some snot bricks so the figures can actually stay standing. So let's talk about the figures I'm including. I have a couple Marines, those actually in red coats, our officer, and our admiral. I'm kind of basing these off of the Pirates 1 versions of these figures. I just updated them with more modern pieces, except I left their heads looking classic. I also made some sailors slash crew, and then I've got a Marine reloading with a ramrod, and then one also firing.